Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So Samsung's big Unpacked event is over and it brought 6 new flagships. 3 belong to Galaxy S22 series and 3 Tab S8 series devices. But now it's time to look past that and know about some of the upcoming foldables, specifically speaking, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. According to Twitter leakers, Samsung is thinking about making considerable changes to the Galaxy Z Fold series with the 4th generation model. The few upgrades that they know of are the improved under-display camera and change in the aspect ratio for cover display. First off, let's talk about the improved under-display camera. This leaker says that the new UDC used for the next Fold has been improved a lot, implying that the photos taken from under-display camera might get better after all. If all goes according to plan, even Galaxy S23 series might get UDC, giving the immersive experience we desired. The UDC sensors on Z Fold 3 did a pretty respectable job, but the image quality did not match up to the wow factor that having a disappearing camera provides. Hopefully with the next gen UDC, we get better pictures and overall improvement in the quality of photos while hiding in plain sight. Next, we have change in the aspect ratio of cover display. The current gen foldable has this narrow cover display, making it good only for quick use. Most of the criticisms were about the keyboard being cramped. Many wished the outer display was a bit wider. Having a wider, more standard sized cover display makes this task easier, and it seems Samsung might provide what you want. Apparently, Samsung is testing several prototypes, some with larger, minimal and no changes to the Galaxy Z Fold 3's cover display. Unfortunately, it's too early to tell what Samsung will choose, so we have to wait few more weeks or months to know about it. And currently we haven't heard anything about the hinge from any leaker, but looking at other companies who have managed to mitigate the crease, it isn't going to take long for Samsung to come with something similar or even better than that. But rest assured, Z Fold 4 will see a huge overall improvement. With that said, we are at the end of this video. If you liked what you saw, then definitely subscribe. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.